So if you'd like to see how I put all this together, it is the lift for the Eleanor. Stick around to the end, and I hope you enjoy this. Hi everyone, this is Mr. Fusion Designs and welcome to our channel. Today we are doing a build from Fanhome. It is the 1967 Mustang Eleanor gone in 60 seconds, pack 29. Okay, so today, I believe this is issue 110. So we need this pack, 111, 112, 113, 114. So it looks really good. Let's just move these parts to the side. They're quite heavy. A lot of them are metal. And we will take a look at our magazine. So just have a clean up. So this is what we will be building. The garage lift. I remember that's what they call it, which looks really good. So you could see retrieve the part from the 4-post lift from kit 110, which that's what it was. So we need to put a few parts together. And this is 111. And we will take a look at the magazine as we go. So this is what it looks like when it's completed. So we will start right now. So we're gonna start with 110. So these are the parts from that issue, and both of these are metal, very heavy. Well, not very, but quite a bit of weight on there. So as you can see, there is 3 posts with 3 locations. So you just line that up. I like that, how that looks. So to the reverse of this, you can see these 2 parts need to be screwed in, and that is with DS02 screws. So let's get our screw ready. And that will be going right here. And this is the next one. Made that quite tight. You could see a number 1 there. Just about. There you go. And we will get now the next part. So this is 111. They feel plastic. So there's no weight on that. So this is plastic. That's all these parts. And there's nothing else in here. So PS09 screws and PS02 screws. So we need a few parts from here. So I'm just gonna organize this. So first we need this part. I guess we can go here. And with these 2 parts, you just fit them together. And with a PS09 screw, we'll go 1 here first. So that's done. So we need 1 more part. So this part, you can see just there, it's, hopefully you could see, it's slightly cut out. So you can't get that wrong really. And that just fits just like that. We need 2 more PS09 screws. So this is the first one, just going here. and this is the next one. So that's these two parts now fitted. So let's move over to the next part. We have these two parts, and the one we just fitted together, you can see if you turn it over, it shows number 2. Also, this part, what we received in this issue, you can see a number 2, and here you can see it's cut out. On this side, it isn't, so that needs to fit these two grooves onto this part so it could fit flush. So there you go, that fits flush. Now we need to put DSO2 screws. There's 10 of them. So this is the first one. And when I get all 10 screws in, I will be back with you. So that's the first one. So that is all 10. My hand hurts after that. So we need our next part. So these two parts that we fitted. So with the two holes facing you and with this peg, you would need to just slide this into that hole. There's 2 locating pins as well. So just slide that in and push together, and that creates this. Now, with this part, what we received, I'm just going to take a look which way it goes. So turn it over, exactly like in the picture, and in this direction, there's 2 holes with 2 pins that needs to be pushed in, which I'm trying to do. That is how that looks. So excellent. So that's the first, sorry, that is the end of this issue. So let's move over to the next one. So this is issue 112, and we need to put all this together, and somehow that's how it turns out. So this oh no, actually no, that's how it should look. Okay, so let's get on with this. This is in the next issue. This is 112, and let's just open up this pack. I really am enjoying this Eleanor build from Gone in 60 seconds. It's really put together very well. So this is PS05 screws. This is metal. Quite heavy actually. It's much heavier than the other one. Let's open up this right now. Take a look. And these are plastic. So we're going to now put these parts. Are they exactly the same? I believe so. So in this direction, I guess we need to just put that one first. Let me get some screws. So PS05 screws, they will just go here. They are going in plastic, so no oil needed. So that's the first one. This is the next one. And now the same. Let's put that over what we need to do. And again, 2 PS05 screws. Same locations as the other side. So that brings us to the end of this issue. So let's bring over our next one. So let's move on to issue 113. So we have these parts to be fitted. And that is the end result. So let's bring over our parts. So let's have a look. Let's cut this open. And that is plastic. These are plastic. Some screws, and they are PSO5 screws. So just these parts. So let's see what we need to do. So first part, we need to go, I guess, let's see, maybe here. So this direction, and this just clips in just like that. And we need to put a PSO5 screw just there. So that goes in first. And that is now secured. Now, with this part that we was working on, we need to get this part and in this direction. So like that. No, hold on. Yep, no, that's correct. So in this direction, then we get the cover that just clips on, and 2 PSO5 screws again. So this is the first one, and that brings us to the end of this issue. So this is what we are left over with. So let's move over to our last one. So this is issue 114. So this is what we need to do. So connecting quite a few of the parts, I believe what we was working on. And this is the rest of the magazine. I really do like these magazines. And this is in the next pack. So let's get on with the last issue. So this is parts for 114. It does feel heavy, so I presume it is metal. So let's have a look. That's plastic. This is very heavy. Nice piece of metal. So a few parts I could see. And I won't take this out just yet. PSO5 screws, a spring, and DSO2 screws. So quite a few parts, as you can see. So let's get this fitted. Okay, I made a mistake. This was on this side, and it was a bit confusing when you see it on the picture, but I had to change it to that side. So just like that. So just remove the screws from that side where it was and put it back on that side. So it's pretty straightforward, and I think an easy mistake to be made. So now with that, we need this part. I guess we could go here, and let's just make sure not to get things confused. So just like this, and just making sure, because there is a way to do this. Okay, so in this direction, you can see, let me just show you, there is a slant just there, and that's straight at the above. So that will just push in just like this. So that's the way that goes. Now the part that we had, so this will just in this direction, and let's just put that in its place. There we go. And we need with that 2 DSO2 screws. So I'm just going to line this up and get the first screw in place. So that's now screwed in place. And we need this spring, which goes here. Now on the magazines, there's no writing, so you kind of have to guesswork what you need to do. But I think it goes in this direction, and this stop will need to go towards the back of this spring. So like that. So it's not that difficult, quite flexible. So just like that. Hopefully you've seen that. Let me do that again. It's a bit dark. Maybe like that. That's a bit better. So just like this, and get the back of this holder to the back of the spring, and there we go, just like that. Now with that, we need to get this, I believe, in this angle, so that will just fit there, and you need to put a screw through the top of that, trying to hold everything in so it doesn't fly away. And that's another DSO2 screw just here. And then mine's tight, but I'm not sure if you're supposed to do it quite tight. And okay, so you can see that just works like that. So I believe that's correct. So let's turn this over, and I guess we can go here. Let's open up this part. So that is plastic. And all we need to do, you can see the two edges that need to slip. Easy mistake to make. Under here, and these two pegs just here. So just like that. Wow, that looks good. And we need two PSO 5 screws. I think when this starts to get bigger, it's going to be quite difficult to maneuver. But let's get these two screws in place. One here. And one there. So that secures this. And that is actually the end of this pack. So I really hope you enjoyed that. All we are left with now on this pack is this and that. So that was quite enjoyable, really. I did enjoy that a lot. And if you could do us a favor, if you could hit that thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, that would be great. Look forward to seeing you all next time. Goodbye for now.